Hey, hero! I saw your latest render. And you know what? It actually physically hurt me. No, the composition was fine, but that noise in the shadows, that stretched texture seam on the corner, you forgot to apply scale again, didn't you? You know, we're living in late 2025. We have Blender 5.0, we have AI generating textures in a split second, but for some reason, you're still making the same mistakes like it's 2019. Today, I'm gonna scold you. With love, of course. I've rounded up the top 5 mistakes that are making you suffer, making your PC overheat, and making me lonely while you spend hours fixing bugs that didn't even need to exist. Let's fix this right now, so you have time left over for something more pleasant, like, say, subscribing to my channel. Let's go. First mistake, you're living in the past. I see you Googling download Bolt Factory Blender free and downloading these weird, shady zip files. Why, babe? Since version 4.2 and we're already on 5.0, Blender moved everything to the extensions platform. The problem, you're trying to enable old add-ons with a checkbox, but they aren't there. You panic, download some bootleg version, and it breaks your interface. How to do it in 2025. Go to Edit, Next Preferences, and go to Get Extensions. Yes, let it access the internet, it doesn't bite. Everything that used to be built in is here now. Node Wrangler, Bool Tool, they all install with one single install button now. And they auto-update. Stop downloading trash from the internet. Your downloads folder will thank you, and so will I. Look me in the eyes. Are you still setting up Eevee like in the good old days? Turning on ambient occlusion and screen space reflections out of habit? Kitty cat, Eevee. Next works totally differently now. The mistake. You're scared of the ray tracing tab. You thinking, oh no, this is gonna fry my GPU. So instead, your scene looks like a PlayStation 2 game. The fix. In Blender 5.0, Eevee Next is basically cycles, but fast. Just hit that ray tracing button. But the real secret sauce is the shadow map pool. A lot of newbies crank up the ray settings, but forget about shadow memory. If your viewport is lagging, don't turn off the rays. Just lower the shadow resolution in the performance settings. Let the light bounce around the scene. Make it look pretty for me. If I opened your project and saw your animation list, I'd probably call an exorcist. What is this chaos? You're creating a new action file for every little sneeze. In 2025, that is just bad manners. How to do it properly. You know about slotted actions, right? I told you about them in the last video. One character, one action. All the moves live inside different slots. This isn't just convenient. It means when you want to transfer animation to another character, you transfer one file, not 50. Be an organized man. Chaos is only hot in hairstyles, not in project files. Ugh, this eternal paranoia. Oh no, I have a polygon with 5 vertices. The universe is gonna collapse. Listen, if you're modeling for a game or for deformation animation, yes, quads matter. But if you're modeling hard surface, a toaster, a robot, my favorite coffee machine, stop wasting your life removing n-gons on flat surfaces. The 2025 secret, Blender 5.0's render engine eats planar n-gons for breakfast. It doesn't care. The main mistake isn't the n-gon itself, it's the shading artifacts. Use the weighted normal modifier. See, the reflection is perfect. No one is gonna see your wireframe on the final render. And if they do, tell them I gave you permission. And finally, the classic. The one I started with. You model a chair. It's a beautiful chair, but why is it the size of a 9-story building? Why is this bad in 2025? Because physics and simulation nodes, cloth fluid sims run on real-world physical units. If your chair is massive, the cloth sim will think it's a heavy canvas tent, not a silk cushion. The light fall off will be wrong. Depth of field won't work. The solution, Ctrl+A, apply scale. Get this tattooed on yourself, or make it your phone wallpaper. Every time you finish modeling a shape, hit Ctrl+A. Promise me? There, that's better. Now you know how not to piss off Blender and me. Use extensions, turn on ray tracing, organize your animations into slots, and watch your scale. This makes you not just a guy pushing buttons, but a real 3D artist. And that, believe me, is very cool. Let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you make the most. Be honest, I won't tell anyone. Subscribe, hit the like button, and go create. I'm watching you. Bye.